tears in your eyes at every step of our goodbyes. Pink pearls and a ruffled worn sweater, you left them behind like a love letter. I can make a sentence and nothing makes sense. We had our moments, I relive now, again and again. You were like a solar eclipse on my lips, like hiccups and calls, wreck the voices. My solar eclipse, go off script, give me hiccups and calls. Give me hiccups. Call me when you're drunk, naming everyone that you slept with since last week. Who does that? Oh, you ain't killing me. I know you are better than yourself. You were like a solar eclipse on my lips, like hiccups and calls, wreck the bullshit.
Okay, you guys, show you where we're at here. We're on I-40, headed toward Gallup. All of a sudden, I had cars honking at, or pickup honking at me, and then a lady, she slowed down right next to us and was pointing back at the trailer. And see the outside over there, the rear tire, the brake is smoking. So we got to figure out what we're going to do there. I think we're just going to sit here a little bit and let it cool off, and then we're going to limp it down. I see looks like maybe a truck stop sign. Looks like maybe a couple miles, maybe 3 miles. Can't tell. You know, you can see the sign, so it's not terribly far. So yeah, I don't dare go on the other side here. There's tons of traffic and flying by. Yeah, Lisa's in here using the restroom. We're gonna just let it cool off, and I pulled off pretty much as far as I could here. Anyway, we'll gonna try and limp it down there after it cools off a little bit here.
So, okay, we are limping along the side of the road, just checking to see if we see any more smoke. Luckily, about a mile ahead here was, we saw the tall yellow sign. You can probably, I don't know if you can really see it from there, but it's a service station or a truck stop. So we're just limping our way to get to that exit.
Yeah, so 3 hours on the road. What I think happened here, leaving Phoenix, there was a car that, we were going 65 mile an hour. There was a car that basically stopped in front of us. And there was a turning lane. He almost came to a stop in the lane here. He was not in the turning lane. So I had to jam on the brakes hard in order to not hit him. Watching trucks here and everything. So I bet you that's what happened. And that brake has probably been hanging up, getting hot ever since.
If that's the case, I'm kind of surprised we were able to go as far as we did with it.
Anyway, we'll give you an update here tonight yet, probably, or tomorrow for sure.
Yeah, here's the off ramp. All right, catch you guys later.
Okay, guys. Yeah, it's windy out here. Thankfully, we were just a hair over a mile from this truck stop here. There's I-40. That's a busy freeway, I'll tell you that. Here we are. We went slow in like 10 mile an hour on the shoulder, because that was a hairy situation too. But anyway, it looks like it was not the brake. You know, I didn't want to go on this side of the trailer when traffic was roaring by. Wheel bearing went bad, broke. So I walked over to the Navajo Travel Center there, thinking they might have a bulletin board or something, you know, where guys, road service guys, put their cards. And well, for one thing, Navajo Nation, mask required. But so but thankfully the checkout guy was right by the door. He pointed to the sign when I walked in. I'm like, I don't wear a mask. I don't have one anyway. But anyway, he was kind enough. I asked if they had road service numbers. So and he gave me this. No road service, no road service. This guy recommended Bob's road service. So I just called and left a message for Bob. And this is Sunday afternoon. A little after 4, so I don't want to pay, you know, we're going to be comfortable here overnight. So I just left a message asking if they could come out and do it tomorrow morning, Monday morning, before we head into New Mexico. So that's where we are. What do you think, Miss Lisa?
Like I say, you gotta do what you gotta do.
3 months, 3 hours down the road, up getting back on the road.
And stuck right in the middle between two cities or two towns.
That was kind of freaky. That thing was really smoking. I thought it was the brake, like I told you guys. It was smoke. I was worried it was going to catch fire, and then, you know, then damage the RV or catch the RV on fire. So anyway, we are going to relax here, have a tasty beverage, and I guess we'll worry about it tomorrow. Hopefully Bob will call me back tonight, but probably not. Okay, we'll talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, yeah, it's Monday morning, 9 a.m. Nobody that I called last night returned my call off this list. And there was even one on here I didn't call till this morning. No answer, straight to voicemail, no return call. I guess they still might return my call, but so we just went to started doing RV search here, or, you know, mobile roadside repair. We are 40 miles from Holbrook and 55 miles from Gallup, the direction we're going. I don't know how long we're gonna have to sit here. I guess if nobody returns calls or anything, I've done a wheel bearing before. I don't want to do this, but if I have to get us out of here, I'll drive into town, get the parts, and come out here and do it myself, I guess. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna end this right here. Wish us luck. Pray for us to get somebody out here, or for at least me to do it successfully. So anyway, God bless you guys. We're back on the road, kind of, I guess. I'm not worried about it. I'm just, Arizona, let us go. So God bless. We'll see you in a few days, you guys. Bye.